Hello my dear students, I hope you solved exercise 2.6. Now rushing towards our exercise 2.7. What problems are there, son? See the first word problem. Aruna had, see, before this I would like to tell you what problems are very important parts in mathematics. In that you have to write given, then main operation and then last answer. Three steps are very important in word problems. Understand? So before this also I told you how to solve word problem. Now also again I remind you. First thing, read question carefully. I repeat, you should read question carefully. While reading question, take pencil in your hand and underline the numbers given. Means you will know that what is given in the problem means प्रॉब्लम में वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में क्या दिया है, कौन सा डाटा दिया है, काय दिलेला आहे त्याच्यामध्ये and what is to be find out, हमें क्या निकालना है. ये दो चीजें, if these two things you understand, then you will understand which operation you have to do on that. अगर ये दो चीजें आपको समझ में आई, क्या दिया है और क्या हमें निकालना है, तो ये दो समज में आने के बाद ह्या दोन गोष्टी समजल्यानंतर काय काढायचं आहे, कुठलं ऑपरेशन करायचं आहे त्याच्यावर, ॲडिशन आहे का सबट्रॅक्शन आहे का मल्टिप्लिकेशन आहे का डिव्हिजन आहे, then you will understand which operation you have to do on that, whether addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, whichever that. Understand? So these two things are very important. That's why while reading the problem, underline the numbers. See, Aruna had rupees 80,000 with her. Rupees 80,000. See, I underline. Then she bought a computer. What she brought? A computer system for rupees, underline, 39,850. What is given in the problem? How much money, how much amount of money she has, Aruna has with her, that is given, and how much she spent to buy a computer system. How much rupees she spent to buy a computer system. This much rupees. These two things are given. Now what is to be find out? See, how much amount is left with her. How much amount is left with her means it's a clear indication that we'll have to subtract here. Subtraction is the operation. Understand? So first we will write what is given in the problem and what is to be find out. See. First given. This is very important. Aruna had rupees, this one with her, means the amount of rupees Aruna had. The amount of rupees Aruna had. How much rupees? 85,000. अरुणा के पास कितने पैसे हैं? 85,000 रुपीज उसके पास है. अभी इनमें से उसने क्या लिया? So she bought a computer system. You can write like this. Amount of money she spent to buy a computer system. Amount of money she spent for buying computer system, this one, or else in simple you can write the cost of a computer system. Simple. The cost of a computer system. What is the cost of a computer system? Given 39,850. 39,850. Up to third standard, what you are doing? Second, third. You are right. How you are writing? Around 100 rupees. This one. Then computer system cost. Then you are doing subtraction here. But you are in fourth standard now. You have to solve like this manner. Okay. Now what to find? To find how much amount is left with her. Is left with her. This we have to find out. Understand what is given in the problem. Two things are given. उसके पास कितने पैसे हैं और कंप्यूटर सिस्टम खरीदने के लिए उसने कितने खर्च किए. मेरे पास 10 रुपए है. मम्मा said me go and bring banana, half dozen banana. I went to banana wala and I asked him give me half dozen banana. He gave me half dozen banana and I asked the cost of half dozen banana. He said 5 rupees. So I gave him 10 rupees note. How much money he will return you? 10 minus 5. 5 rupees. So same here. How to solve? Again same thing. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Draw columns. It's very important to draw columns. Leave for borrow. So 85,000 minus 39,850. 39,850. Do subtraction. Which operation? Subtraction. 0, 0, 0. 0 minus 5 possible? No. Borrow from neighbor. Neighbor also don't dare. He asked to his neighbor. 5 become 4. This 0 become 9 and this 0 become 10. So 10 minus 5 possible now? Yes. 5. 9 minus 8 1. 4 minus 9 possible? No. So borrow from neighbor. 8 become 7 and this 4 become 14. 14 minus 9. 5. 7 minus 3 4. So how much money left with her? 45,000 rupees. 45,150. This you have to write it down. Therefore, what is question? Find how much amount is left with her. So you can write rupees 45,150 left with her. Or you can write the amount left with Aruna is equal to rupees 45,150. You can write like this also. Understand? If you want to take screenshot, you can, right? Pause the video and take screenshot. Let's see another example. Exercise. Same exercise. Question number 2. The sum of two number is, sum means addition. If one number is this one, find the other. It's very easy. What is question? The sum of two number is, what is given? The sum of two number means, sum means addition. दो नंबर की addition दी है, कितनी है? So you can write in given. First you write the question, then given. Okay. The sum of two numbers. What is the sum of two numbers are given? Sorry, not rupees. Sum of two numbers 68,981. 68,981 given. Then what is given? One number is given. If one number is, means you can write one number is. What is one number? 27,990. 27,990. What we'll have to find out? We have to find out the other number. To find the other number, this we'll have to find out. Very simple. दो नंबर की एडिशन हमें दी है, एक नंबर दिया है. इट मीन्स डिफरेंस इज गिवन and one number is given. We'll have to find out another number. How you will find out? Very simple. By subtracting. Understand? You will get another number. So the operation is like this. Write again ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Draw the columns proper with the help of scale or ruler. Write the number 68,981 minus 27,990. Subtract 0 minus 1, 1. Sorry, 1 minus 0, 1. 8 minus 9 possible? No. What we are doing? We are borrowing from neighbor. 9 become 8. This 8 become 18. Now 18 minus 9. Yes, 9 2s are 18. So 9 here possible. 8 minus 9. No. So again borrow from this 8. Next number 8 becomes 7 here. This 8 becomes 18 here. Again 18 minus 9. Same, 9 2s are 18. Put comma. 7 minus 7 0. 6 minus 2 4. Therefore, what will be the other number? Therefore, the last answer, other number is 40,991. Understand? Now if we add 40,991 and 27,990, you will get this number. 0 plus 1, 1, 9 plus 9, 9 to the 18, 8, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 9, 19, 9, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 0, 8, and 2 plus 4, 6. Understand? Now the third one is what must be added to 6,789 to get 78,100. Hint is given: subtraction, subtract this one from this one, you will get answer. Understand? I hope you will solve this one. In next video we will discuss on 4th, 5th and 6th. Okay, till then, thank you.